Welcome back to Quizzer. Today you have to answer 25 questions for the topics there is and there are. Let's start. There are 7 days in a week. There's a train at 9:30. Are there any restaurants near here? There's a man on the roof. There are some big trees in the garden. There's a big tree in the garden. Are there any problems? No, everything is okay. There's nothing on TV tonight. We cannot go skiing. There isn't any snow. There are a lot of accidents on this road. This restaurant is very quiet. There aren't many people here. How many players are there in a football team? Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? Yes, there is. There are 11 players in a football team. Are there any shops near here? No, there aren't. Have you got any money? Yes, there is some in my bag. There is a lot of salt in this soup. How many students are there in the class? 20. Is there a bus from the city center to the airport? Yes, every 20 minutes. Is there anything good on TV tonight? Yes, there is a film at 8:20. The road is usually very quiet. There isn't much traffic. There's nowhere to sit down. There aren't any chairs. There are a few shops. There are 30 days in September.